special day today. We're doing the lower ground steel to take this wall out. Then the one upstairs which is going to open the bathroom up. And there's also an extra steel which we found out. There's a masonry wall above which wasn't shown on the drawing, so we've had to get that recalced and that's going to be put in as well.
Is there steel to do up there?
I mean, I don't know if you want a bloody... Is it worth us dropping the top first rather than prop this, because I thought that's coming down.
In theory, it'd be better propping the top, wouldn't it? Because it's coming down from... There's a nib there, isn't there? We'd be better doing
propping
that,
the top, and then we
yeah.
just drop the fucking lot. Will we have to prop any of this?
No, we're just propping it now for no reason, are we?
Well, I've just took the door out.
No, I mean, if we did, yeah.
Yeah, so what we'll do, we'll go upstairs.
Yeah.
We'll just fucking drop the lot. Oh yes, right. We've already conquered the job, haven't we, Tony? Already conquered it.
I'm saying, fuck all me, I've decided this week, keep your mouth shut. I'm not doing any funny bits, I'm just concentrating this week.
That won't happen.
I give it like an hour. When Ryan gets it, immediately.
Does it have a steel and then has to get rebuilt up, Wayne?
That steel assumes got to go in fucking ceiling height, has it? But it's a coloured ceiling, so you'd have to prop the steel though. Is that the ceiling there? So we just build it up and put the steel on it.
Right, you.
Well, the brickwork, we're going to prop that, aren't we? That ridge is fucking long, is it?
Aren't you lower there than the ceiling, Wayne?
No?
Yeah, alright, you with that pin.
No, there's the ceiling there, isn't it? That's the ceiling there, isn't it? That's course.
End caps, right? I think because the brickwork, I think I asked for the sill to be a bit bigger.
Is this one a bit out?
You can get it on film.
Realise you have that fucking camera out. Yeah, this one's a bit out, Tony. You know, it's not often that you... Nah.
I'm not saying anything, I'm not getting involved in anything on camera.
Still to be bigger.
You're like encouragement here, Aaron.
To me, to you. Do you see that? That was one man, one steel. What are you guys doing?
Three steel, and it's still probably
I was on plastic.
Yeah, he is, Matt. Lift it up so he's got all the weight.
Yeah.
Playing ghost lifting in the middle there. He's not even got now.
Tony, that. Tony's usually like that, one hand.
Get down below.
That existing purling probe is fixing the fucking roof bars.
Yeah, but
I fixed that purling to the roof bars, but the existing or you mean the new purling, don't you? That's got two screws in into that roof, into that spar here.
Are we going to have to prop that? Maybe it's that fucking big piece of the
Oh yeah, you'll have to drop that, mate.
Yeah, that's what I mean. So I'll pop it
I
over.
think with the existing ridge.
I'll pop a hole through there, won't I? Yeah. That purling prop.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How long do you need up here? I'm going to set all the stud work out. We're going to go get some bits now for it.
We're going to be up here all day, aren't we?
Are you fuck?
No, I reckon. We've got to
No.
roll this up.
You smack
Wayne,
you
there's no point
smoke.
saying to him,
Well, to be fair.
whoa, I'll let Wayne answer. We've got to get the steel in, we've got to build that,
Yeah, but
we've got to do that.
I can use off here, get all the 4x2 in. Get Keith to come nicely, all that.
No, we won't be able to get the steel on that green brickwork.
No, but it needs to be built up, doesn't it?
Are you going
Gotta
to
move all
build
the
it in
shit.
brick? Are you going to build it in brick? Save some of them here, or what? Might as well, haven't we? Because you won't be able to tie in fucking block work with that.
It just depends how big it is, doesn't it?
It's probably not much bigger than that.
What's that?
That pillar, it's only small. It's not
Why did
freaking
you
out.
say then, will we foot, when it's blatantly obvious we will probably
Well, to be
here,
fair,
aren't
we've
they?
got to get sand and cement.
Mate.
You're not that, that's got to come down, hasn't it?
It's not much more. I'd have to prop that, buzz this, and buzz that.
That's what I'm dealing with.
Take this down.
I'm gonna patch all the floors in. I might even ask how you put the steel in, so you just place it tomorrow, keep it propped, get everything clean, let me do the stud work.
Well, you can't prop it. Now to prop it too. You can slide it into Monica, can't
The game plan for the week.
I've been in the mood today, but
I could tell. Been camera dodging me all day.
oh, I've got a bit of a flu coming, I think.
Oh no, say the
Not
fur.
a flu like cold, you know, feeling a bit groggy.
I'll stay back then, I'll keep my distance.
So, I can't be asked to be realist. I don't know what I'm doing. I know,
There's going to be some big changes.
big changes, yeah. So that wall's coming out tomorrow, steel going in. This wall's coming out tomorrow, steel's going in. The engineer didn't calc steel for that wall because he thought he didn't know it was low bearing on upstairs, which is an additional cost because it's another piece of steel. And they're both going in tomorrow. The lad's just finishing off the steel upstairs, so now I can go upstairs and start first fixing. What I'm doing is just getting this whole area completely clean, organised, like an organised mess. And then I can start either they can drop down here and start knocking them walls down in the morning, and I can go there, or vice versa. One of us will be on one of the floors.
Plan.
That's me done for talky today, but I like to piss out my pants today.
Because you yourself feel like self-conscious wearing pants for some reason.
Even my missus and they make us sick. That's why I have to wear them tight to my legs, man. I can't wear, baggy pants. I have to wear tight pants. Anyway, we are back over in Cholland today. I'm just building out all these steels. Wayne and Tony upstairs just finishing dropping the wall. Then we're starting the stud work, and then they're going to come downstairs and get these two walls out.
Why would you do that? That means I'll have to go and buy another pair of shorts.
Otherwise,
You double dared, yeah.
Otherwise, you'll keep coming in and we have to look at it for now until your shorts.
Who double dared,
I don't
yeah.
want to see your ass cheek hanging out every time
Don't
you're
walk
walking
down
around.
there,
Who double dared you?
Playground. You have to go play hopscotch.
Taking the wall down.
We've taken the very shoddy brickwork down, the old brickwork. We're going to build this pier up and some new block work, and that's going to take the steel on a pad stove. The brickwork, the original brickwork, is shocking on this house. It's just there's no strength in it at all, really. The bottom is quite solid, it's not too bad, but this part where the window was, it's had to be taken down and rebuilt it all.
That's basically steel.
Alright, good, mate. I'm happy with that, buddy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's where it's going then,
Yeah. Get the steel in now and get it patched up, mate, so I want to have a good time for I'm up here in the morning.
Oh yeah, well, your leg's not bad?
Really bad.
What's wrong?
Just did 2 runs and trained legs on Sunday. I think it's fucked me up. I don't know what I talked to him doing, Matt.
He's making my job very difficult.
My cousin's like that, Ali. He goes running with a bag of cement in his backpack. And then he comes in work the next day and he goes, fucking back's killing me. Back's killing me, Tony. What do I do? I said, well, take the fucking bag of cement out of your fucking rucksack.
Have colour top. Come on.
No sexual.
We have to have a weekly cuddle, don't we?
After a weekly cuddle.
A weekly cuddle. Hello there. Talking, Wayne, will you talk to him?
Yeah, Wayne's already given me some talking. Need your talking.
Right, let me get a bit of talking for you, buddy.
Yeah, go on then.
So as you can see, studied out this wall because the steels were proud and the customer wanted the kitchen to run flat with no nibs, so we built all this wall, the insulation will run right through. I'm setting out a little stud wall here now. I'm putting a door casing in for the downstairs toilet, and Wayne and Chris have come downstairs and they're both getting out that internal wall and this internal wall, and then we've got 2 steels just to go in to take the weight of the brickwork above. Whoa, look at that! Who tightened these up? Oh, it's lifting it, you bit. How can it lift it?
What about 4 What is that? It's already loose. It shouldn't have got that loose, should it? Because I had to tighten that a bit.
Why didn't you just drop the whole back skin out?
Because you drilled into the bricks. Well, I could have dropped the back skin.
You only need 1 steel then for the sink for the fucking.
Could do, to be fair.
He's got 2 steels on it.
1.
That stud work's probably doing you a favour.
Yeah, well, it's just all it is. It's fuck all above it, but you've got to start, haven't you?
Yeah, it's so nice for your face.
But saying that, this has got a lot of that, hasn't it?
Well, that's got this corner. All that there is on this corner, the steel. So if anything, you could put the plate there.
Yeah.
Put a bit of plate in there. Do you know what I mean?
I don't know if we've got to catch a bit of plate. We've got about a metre of plate.
Pass it on 42, mate.
I'll set this down and I'll it.
Oh, just drop the fucking lot. I have to finger you anyway, mate.
That's why it's loose now, it's just loose. It's pushing it up.
Take these out of the fall. I'd love to know what's going on here, would you mind, mate?
That I would. That I would.
What I'm doing here, just catching this floor, just doing a bit of extra support. The brickwork above is pretty shit, so all the floor dropping. Just put a floor group off there, we can catch this floor, so the floor doesn't move anywhere there. Oh yeah, come on, buddy.
Just a loose, you know, once you take it off. Yeah. You don't need to loosen it like it's wrong. I'll tell you, get what you can off.
Oh, like nothing drop.
Over this.
So I can kind of release the prop, but I've still got the floor props in, do you know what I mean? Just so I can There's not much weight on it, do you know what I mean? So it's not going anywhere, is it? If we catch that bit of fucking foreskin of brickwork, you'll be able to reach the macros, won't you?
Well, get the slate in, slate it up.
That's what I'm saying. I need them macros out of my way.
I mean, I know you'll have it, you won't be welded, but...
So I'm going to patch all this flooring now. I'm going to strip them 2 courses of brick out, patch that flooring, patch this and clean all this shit out. Well, Chris is going to clean all that shit out, but then... I'm not even going to patch the floors in. I'm going to let Chris patch the floors in.
Oh my god.
Trip hazard, trip hazard.
I'm fucking decent, mate.
Chris can patch all them floors in. You're going to have to back that trimmer there because there's something gone under it. That thing, yeah. And I'll get that.
Okay.
I'll set all that up there so you can patch that in. I'll double trim it
Okay.
trimmer it in that. Fucking hell. Yeah, Chris, what's your hand?
Look at this, Charlie. Go on, look at this.
What's he do?
Look at what
What's he done?
the noggin where the steel's going into the
Yeah,
wall.
but you know why? Because they're all 500.
Yeah, but you've got, you know.
That wall wasn't down.
That's what
500.
Chris, that's what you call the schoolboy error.
So, mate, let's not go there with your way.
Listen, for some reason, I've actually got it here. I've got it here. I've got it here.
Let's
And you
have
know
a
what it
look.
is?
Let's have a look.
It's a gold card. It's a gold card.
Let me have a look.
It's here.
Let me
Here
have a
it is. Smudge bricklayer here. Where's bricklayer? In fucking Manchester apparently. But he got a gold card. And got it on him now.
Where's the
It's not a fake.
Where's the hologram?
It's a real one, Matt. It's a real one. Gold card. Bring him in. Let's get him on the table. That's the one. That's the one, buddies. That's the one, buddies. There's no point in running out. I've got 6 months left on mine. What colour's yours, buddy?
Put it in there for now.
We got it there, right? 1 second.
You straighten up to see what that code is. Just go up as far as you can. You're first, aren't you?
Will do.
Let me lift it as you pack it, Chris.
It might be
Oh
alright.
yeah, Billy Chris, if you can't lift it, just let me
Well,
know.
it's just off.
Tony, if I couldn't lift it, I wouldn't be asking you for help. Strong fingers.
Lift it, Chris, and I'll try and...
Right,
Oh
so if
my
I buy
God,
myself,
Tony.
mate, and get me
I can't
package
lift
in.
it, put that under,
If
can
you're
I?
struggling and you want me to lift it, just shout, Chris.
I can't put that under and lift it, can I?
I've just got 3 under and lifted it by myself,
What are
mate.
you doing?
I'll tell you what, stick your gold card up your ass.
Well, at least I've got one to stick up the ass.
It fucking doesn't show you how to lift steel, though, does it?
Oh, put it up. No, it doesn't.
Oh! No.
Ready? 1,
1,
2,
2,
3.
3.
Yep.
So you're going to keep the buttons easy, it's either too high for top neck.
There we are. Putting the steel in here in Cheltenham. Near the end of the day. It's going in now.
Well, I need you at the end of the day.
Wayne's had to cut it. It's a bit tight getting it in, but Chris has come up with a good idea.
Watch out. Alright. So, 2 seconds to get my hammer. What are you on about fucking hell for, man? Look how he's put the noggins, how are you going to get your swing in there?
Well, tell them to tell that out.
Right, come through, then go back through that doorway there.
Oh.
Stop. Rotten.
Is he for real? Oh my god.
Oh my god, he's done it!
Go back doorway,
I
Chris.
got caught on the fucking steel.
With your heated jacket on. Yeah.
More an angle.
Won't be.
Sorted, I reckon.
Otherwise, that's tough.
Come on. 3, 2, 1.
To Ryan.
Into me again. 3, 2, 1.
Come on, just wedged it.
Tony, get that end of him, man. Push it. 3, 2, 1. So when you're coming out, Chris? Yeah, a little bit. A bit more. Yeah, I can't keep it. Timber's in the way now. Try it now, Chris.
Go on, Tony.
No.
Move, he's gonna do it, he's gonna do it. This is Tony's time.
This is Tony's time.
Tony, oh, get down, Tony. Tony, get down. Tony, get down. Me multi-tool it. You fucking making
Hey!
put noggins in again once you do steels.
1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute.
3, 2,
No, no. No.
Come on, mate, push it in. 3, 2, 1. Right. Slide it to me a little bit. That's it.
How are we going to do this steel now? We can have a go central and put plate on where we need, or we're going to just keep it all to the back. Let the plate overhang.
Keep it all to back and let the plate overhang. It's not got much, has it?
No. Alright, do you think?
And Chris, start packing your tools up, mate, so we've got to go like shitting off the drive then. Stud work finally that I've been trying to get on for 3 days, but I've dragged from pillar to post sorting out steels with them mongs. 4, 4, 5, 0, 4, 4, 5, 0. Alright, so all the first fixes are nearly done down here. We've got Keith who's just turned up to start the first fix electrics. Wayne's just patching an existing door up to catch the steel. Me and Chris are going to move upstairs now. We're going to start the stud work up there, and then I'm going to make up all the door casings so I can install them tomorrow as well. Right, that's it for this week, guys. We've had the building inspector around, he's passed it. I've just got a bit of flooring to patch here. I've got a little stud wall for the bathroom to build, a stud wall to build here, and then this job is ready to be handed over to the plasterers on Monday. So if you like what you see this week, guys, please like and subscribe. Cheers.